We're here at Webamax with the founder and CEO, Ken Wisniewski, and the Vice President of Online Marketing, Todd Bailey. We're here to discuss a few commonly asked questions about Webamax. Ken, can you give me a brief introduction to Webamax?
Sure. Webamax is located here in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. We're just on the other side of the bridge of Philadelphia. We specialize in all facets of online marketing from a full-service approach. We work in search engine optimization, pay-per-click management, social media, reputation management, and also do web development, web design, and e-commerce specialties. We have about just over 100 employees, and we have offices here, as I mentioned, in New Jersey, also office in Jacksonville, Florida, and some satellite offices in New York, and expanding internationally here into Europe and abroad here in 2011. We have just over 100 employees right now, and certainly happy to discuss these questions in more detail.